am in Itegue Taitu restaurant in Paris. This place has this feeling of not a restaurant but a homey type of thing, and the cooking is really good, the food is really good, the ambient is really good, and I'm going to show you how they make the food and how they serve and everything like a restaurant you have never seen it before. Like, I am going to go deep in the restaurant through the kitchen, and we're gonna see how they make the injera, the sauces, and all this beautiful flavored food of my country, Ethiopia. So let's go to the kitchen. But first, so I'm going to introduce you to someone very special. Her name is Sarah, and she's the owner of this beautiful restaurant, and she's going to show us around. Hi, Sarah. በምን ምክንያት ሬስቶራንት ከፈትሽ?
የኢትዮጵያ ምግብ መስራት በጣም እወዳለሁ። ችሎታው አለኝ። ችሎታው ብቻ ስላለኝ ለምን የራሴን መክፈት አልፈልግም? መጀመሪያ እዚህ ሀገር እንደመጣው የኢትዮጵያ ሬስቶራንት ሰራ ነበር እና በጣም ልምዱ ነበረኝ። ቆንጆ ምግብ አቀርባለሁ። ከዛ የራሴን መክፈት ፈለኩኝ። ለመጀመሪያ ጊዜ ለረንድ ሰባ እዛ ገዝቼ ሳይሆን ተከራይቼ ነበር የምሰራው። ለ6 አመት ሰራው። ቆንጆ ነበር ውጤቱ፣ በጣም ሰው ይወዳል። ከዛ በቃ እንደገና የራሴን መግዛት አለብኝ። በቃ ኮሜርሱ ራሴ መግዛት አለብኝ ብዬ ወሰንኩኝ። ከዛ ሬስቶራንት ገዛ።
በጣም አሪፍ።
5 አመቴ ነው። በአጠቃላይ 11 አመቴ ማለት ነው ሬስቶራንቱን ተጀመረ።
Wow. And there is a buffet like for lunch and for dinner it's a la carte. Okay, super. And she's going to show us now. We're going to go inside the kitchen, and she's going to give us a little bit of the tour of the kitchen and how we make food here. And she looks very beautiful in her traditional beautiful dress. Wow, it's a very nice and big kitchen. Hi. So they have a mixer here for the dough. Then they leave it in here for 4 days because it needs to ferment. And then when it's all done, you come here and then continue this process. Wow. And then you close.
Pansa.
Hey. As good. But I think you should hire me, eh? C'est bon. C'est bon. C'est bon. Okay, next round. This one's gonna be a better one. Look at now. Okay. Shake it. Canada. No. Okay, maybe I need a little bit more practice to be hired here. But this is how you make it. And she's super professional because she just goes. Mine, every one of them have a hole. She's going to feed me my own injera. So these are mine. The terrible ones. What is this? My injeras are very professional, as you can see. These are the injeras that I made. And look at hers. So what are we making?
Yeah, but that's...
Okay, so we're making like lamb tips, right? How do you say this? Okay, so we have mitmita, which is spicy, and then we got korarima. I don't know what korarima is in English, and we got salt, and we don't need berbere for, but we've got it. But these are some of the spices that you need to cook main dishes in an Ethiopian dish. So we've got this heated up, got butter. So Ethiopian butter is actually very difficult to find and to make because this butter has lots of spices and went through lots of process. And then you put some butter there. After the butter melts, you add your mitmita, korarima, and salt and mix it up together. Traditional, this is our favorite dish to most of us Ethiopians. And here in France, you have like similar dish like this, which is called tartar. We take the minced meat and mix it up with the sauce that we prepared earlier. Put it on a low heat and mix it a bit more there. The way we serve it, we have a pot and you put the banana leaf like this. And cheese, this is homemade cheese. It's an Ethiopian cheese. This dish is called kitfo. It's served raw, but you can also serve it medium rare or well done. Ethiopian food is served in one big plate with injera and lots of different sauces, vegetable, meat and everything, and it comes like this. Oh, wow! It's amazing, beautiful and so delicious. Please join me. Our culture and way of life is based on a community. You can see that also in the way we eat. We share a big dish and sit around in a circle and eat together. That promotes caring, sharing, thoughtfulness, and generosity. If you go to any Ethiopian house, you will be served all the food that they have. It don't matter if they're rich or poor. And that, my friend, is Ethiopian hospitality.
ኪችኑ በጣም ጥሩ ነው፣ ቆንጆ ነው። ፈረንሳይ መጥቼ ሬስቶራንት የተቀጠርኩት እሷ ናት ሁሉንም ነገር ያስተማረችኝ። እዚህ ነው የለመድኩት። አሁን 5 አመቴ ነው እዚህ ሬስቶራንት ሲሰራ ነኝ። ከሷ ጋር ያው ከከፈተችው 6ኛ አመቱ ነው። እኔ ደግሞ 5 አመቴ ነው። ከአንድ አመት በኋላ ነው የጀመርኩት። በጣም ጥሩ ናት። እንደ አለቃ ሳይሆን እንደ እህት እንደ ጓደኛ አብረን ነው የምንኖረው።
መልካም ሰው ናት።
በጣም
ለሰው ታስባለች።
ለሰው አሳቢ፣ ሰው አክባሪ በጣም በቃ
እንደ ሰራተኛ ሳይሆን እንደ ፋሚሊ
ካህቴም ጸባይ ከምን በቃ ሁሉ ነገር ብትበይ በልጥሽ የምጣገው አይመስላትም። በቃ ሁሉ ነገር
Wizero Sarah's success is a win for all of us. She went after her dreams, used her talent, experience, and hard work, created a space where you can taste Ethiopia in Paris. And she named the restaurant after our beloved queen, Itegue Taitu.
Itegue Taitu ብዬ በመውጣት ይሄን ሬስቶራንት በጣም ደስተኛ ነኝ፣ እጅግ በጣም እና ሁሉ ጊዜ በስሙ በራሱ በሬስቶራንቱ Itegue Taitu በመሆኑ በጣም ነው የምኮራው።
Emperor Itegue Taitu is a very powerful woman, and I'm also sitting with 3 more powerful and beautiful women of my country, Ethiopia. So when you meet an Ethiopian woman, just know you're meeting a powerhouse.
Wow, thank you.
Oh my god. So much flavor, so beautiful. It's really, really good. Yeah. Super ladies who knows how to cook.
Yeah.
We call them balamoy at home. Please, they're quite Gorsa. For us Ethiopians, we show our love with food. So there is nothing more loving than giving someone food, because we all live for our stomach.
Yeah.
So since we all live for our stomach, giving something that's very important to you to live to someone else is showing a lots of love and respect. And to show that, we do this. It's called Gorsa. Gorsa. So you give love, huh?
Yeah.
Sorry, one moment, because we have to go to you. Whenever you go to an Ethiopian restaurant, you don't only go there for the food. You go there to learn the culture, you go there to learn the history, you go there to learn something new.
Yeah.
Because you come here, the name by itself teach you something about Ethiopia.
Yes.
Itegue Taitu. You know, she was a warrior. Because of her and Minilik II, we were not colonized, because she was the lady who recognized that the Wuchale will was wrong, and she forced them to
Yes,
correct
correct
and
this.
She took a warrior of women to Adwa to fight for our country. So like, without, you just came for food, but because of the name, you ask why, and then boom, you learn the history.
Yeah.
And then you come and you sit and you will be served with dish like this.
Like
And
this.
then you ask and you're like, what is this? And then, we tell you, this is mesob. We use it to store food. We use it to store our injera, our bread, to serve food like this. So like, you learn so many things. And then, like this, or there was a musical instrument. Like, you just learn something so new every time you go to an Ethiopian restaurant. And when you come here, Itegue Taitu, you learn those things as well. So if you're ever in Paris and you want to know, you need to come here and try these beautiful Ethiopian dishes.
You taste.
Yes, you
Yeah.
taste. No, you eat.
You eat.
You eat. You
For first
finish.
time.
You try. You eat everything.
Yeah.
Because it's really good and you learn something new. Word of the day is restaurant, and restaurant in Amharic is
Megabit.
Megabit. So restaurant in Amharic is Megabit. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new today. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.